I don't wanna join FNB Stadium concert, says AKA to Casper. Reaching out to his nemesis on Twitter, rapper AKA says he wants to make money but don't want to join Casper in making history next month. AKA has turned a new leaf and is in a good space. On Friday night, he sent out tweets reaching out to Casper Nyovest, who is preparing to make history on December 2nd with a concert that aims to draw 90,000 fans to FNB Stadium, south of Joburg. Casper has already proved that he can pull large crowds. He managed to bring thousands of people to the Dome in Orlando Stadium over the past 2 years. Though he recently spoke out about needing $15 million to make his concert a reality, he may be able to bring in more crowds if he takes AKA up on offer. I don't wanna join your bad FNB concert. It's time we put this shit to bed. It's 2017, guys. Besides, the balls this guy has to try and fill FNB Stadium by himself. Ha ha ha, he can't do that, AKA tweeted. He added that he wanted to make money but he don't like Casper Nyovest.
Yeah.